Hello everyone, my name is Vedar. I am going to share my daily routine today. Are you ready to listen to my daily routine? Let's begin. Every morning I wake up when my alarm clock rings. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I quickly get dressed in my school uniform and head to the kitchen for breakfast. Mom usually prepares something yummy like cereal or toast with jam. Once I finish breakfast, I grab my backpack and make sure I have all my books and homework. Then I rush out the door to catch the school bus. At school, I attend different classes like math, science, English, and history. During break time, I play with my friends and sometimes buy snacks from the canteen. After school, I go straight home to do my homework. Once homework is done, I have dinner with my family and then I relax by watching TV or reading a book before bedtime. Finally, I brush my teeth again, put on my pajamas and go to bed, ready to do it all over again tomorrow. That's all about my daily routine. Would you like to know my parents' daily routine? Let's begin.
Hi, my name is John and I work in a bank. I am going to share my daily routine. As a working man, my daily routine is quite busy. I wake up early in the morning when my alarm goes off. I start my day by getting ready for work. I take a shower, shave, and get dressed in my work clothes. Then I have a quick breakfast, usually something simple like cereal or toast, before heading out the door. I commute to work whether by car, bus, or train, depending on where my job is located. Once I arrive at work, I spend most of the day completing tasks, attending meetings, and collaborating with my colleagues. During lunchtime, I either bring my own lunch or go out to grab something to eat. After work, I head back home and unwind for a bit, maybe watch some TV, exercise, or spend time with my family. I help with dinner preparation or sometimes order takeout if I'm too tired to cook. After dinner, I relax for a bit before getting ready for bed. I make sure to wind down by reading a book or listening to music before going to sleep so I can recharge and do it all over again the next day. That's all about my daily routine. Now, my wife is going to share her daily routine.
Hello lovely people, my name is Ria and I am a homemaker. I start my day by waking up early to prepare breakfast for everyone. After breakfast, I clean up the kitchen and tidy up the house. Then, I might do some laundry or other household chores like vacuuming or dusting. Throughout the day, I take care of any tasks that need to be done, such as grocery shopping or picking up the kids from school. I also spend time preparing meals for lunch and dinner, making sure to include nutritious and delicious options for my family. In between tasks, I try to find some time for myself to relax, whether it's reading a book, gardening, or practicing a hobby. In the evening, I help the kids with their homework and spend quality time with my family. Before bedtime, I make sure everything is in order for the next day and take a moment to appreciate the comfort of home. That's all about our daily routine. We hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.